This morning, a high-stakes impeachment trial is set to begin in Texas against the state's Attorney General Ken Paxton for alleged misconduct in office. Paxton denies all wrongdoing, but many eyes on this case as it is the state's first impeachment trial in more than a century. Stephanie Haynes is live from the capital city of Austin with the very latest. Hey, Stephanie.
Marky, good morning. Paxton has been elected 3 times since 2014, but back in May, the Republican-led House voted overwhelmingly to impeach. So now it's up to the state Senate, which is also Republican-led, to decide whether or not to convict one of their own.
The political future of suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is on the line. The Texas State Senate set to vote on 16 articles of alleged misconduct in office after the House voted to impeach 123-21 back in May.
My colleagues and I will not stand for public corruption.
Most of the charges are connected to Paxton allegedly using his office to help friend and donor Nate Paul when Paul was being federally investigated. Paul has since been indicted for financial crimes. Paxton is also accused of accepting a bribe from Paul in exchange for hiring a woman with whom Paxton was allegedly having an affair. Additionally, Paxton's wife is a state senator. She will not vote as a juror, but will listen in on the trial and may hear testimony about her husband's alleged affair. Paxton's team insists none of the allegations are true and want the articles dismissed.
Ken Paxton will never be convicted by the Senate.
Paxton was endorsed by former President Donald Trump, who on Truth Social called the impeachment, quote, very unfair. Financial supporters of Paxton say a vote against the suspended AG could come with consequences.
A vote to impeach Ken Paxton does put a senator against most of their Republican voters and on the side of Democrats. And that often does lead to them getting opposition from a very broad conservative coalition.
If Paxton is convicted on one article, he will be removed from office, and then the Senate could vote to bar him from seeking statewide office ever again, but it wouldn't prevent him from seeking a federal office. And Adrienne, I can tell you things are really ramping up here. The doors to the trial are set to open at 7:30, and people need tickets to get that front row seat. Adrienne.
All right, Stephanie, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.